Okay, for this assignment, we're going to add an attachment to our Google Calendar through an event. So we have our event here. We're going to label it meeting event. So it's going to be on the 17th. We're going to go to more options. So here you can fill out all your information, your ad confidence, stuff that we looked over in previous videos. But to add the attachment, you're going to go to this little paper clip right here, and then you're going to go to upload, select files from my device, and then now it's going to go through all my different attachments right here. So if I wanted to do Recreation 330 dodgeball, I'd upload, and then as soon as I'm done, I'll save. So now I have that meeting. I'm gonna click it, click the attachment, and then here's your attachment.